Have you ever wondered if you're on the right career path, or if there might be a better one waiting just around the corner? With so many choices out there, finding a fulfilling job can be overwhelming. But here's the twist. Artificial intelligence is stepping in to help. Welcome to How AI is Disrupting Careers and How You Can Stay Ahead. Today, we'll explore how AI isn't just for tech wizards and big corporations. It's transforming the way everyday people discover their passions, sharpen their skills, and land dream jobs. If you're excited about using cutting-edge tools to guide your professional journey, consider subscribing. Your support helps us continue digging into the latest ways technology can revolutionize our lives. Let's start with why this matters. Traditionally, career advice has come from human counselors, mentors, or sometimes guesswork, especially if you don't have access to reliable guidance. Now, AI-driven platforms can analyze your personality, skill set, and even your day-to-day interests. By crunching data from online profiles, skill assessments, and job markets, these tools make hyper-personalized recommendations. That means you won't just get generic advice like, "You're outgoing, go into sales." Instead, AI might suggest something more nuanced, such as, "You excel at creative problem-solving and love engaging with people. Have you considered social media management in the nonprofit sector?" This level of detail can be a game changer, especially if you're in a career rut or just entering the job market for the first time. One real-world example is a friend of mine who was working in retail but had a hidden passion for digital art. She tried out an AI-powered career tool that analyzed her social media posts, volunteer activities, and her online learning history. In a few clicks, she discovered a potential path in user interface design, something that taps both her artistic flair and her customer service skills. Within a few months, she'd taken a couple of targeted online courses the AI recommended, polished her portfolio, and started applying for junior design roles. Today, she's landed a position at a startup, doing what she loves every day. Stories like hers show how AI isn't just theory, it can lead to actual life changes. Now let's break down the two main ways AI supports your career journey. The first is personalized career exploration. Imagine an app that serves as your personal career scout. You input details about your work history, your soft and hard skills, and what you'd like your future to look like. Maybe more flexibility, more creativity, or a different salary range. The AI then scans thousands of job postings, analyzing which roles align with your unique profile. It even predicts which industries are on the rise and likely to have robust job openings in the years ahead. Some platforms go a step further, connecting you directly with mentors or networking events in that field, so you can test the waters before making any big moves. Within this realm of personalization, AI-powered skills assessments really shine. Let's say you're curious about switching into data analysis but aren't sure if you're good at it. AI-driven quizzes or simulations measure your aptitude quickly, looking at not just whether you get the right answers, but how you approach problem solving. If it identifies gaps in your knowledge, it'll suggest specific tutorials or courses to fill them. That beats the old trial and error method, where you might invest in a pricey coding bootcamp only to realize halfway through that it's not for you. The second area where AI excels is matching you with real opportunities. Once you know what you want to do, the AI can target relevant job openings, freelance gigs, or even specialized volunteer roles. By analyzing hiring trends and in-demand keywords on resumes, the system might also give you tips on how to spruce up your LinkedIn profile or personal website. Some advanced platforms even serve as a mini career coach, alerting you when you've gone too long without networking, or reminding you to refresh your portfolio if it notices relevant roles popping up in your area. Instead of you chasing after job postings, it feels like the opportunities come knocking at your door. Still, let's keep it real. AI isn't a magic wand. It works best with quality data. The more honest and detailed you are about your interests, experiences, and constraints, the more likely you are to get spot-on recommendations. Privacy is another thing to watch. These tools often ask for access to your employment history, skill tests, or even your social media. Make sure to check if the platform is transparent about data usage and security before handing over sensitive info. Also, AI can't replace genuine human mentorship or networking. Think of it as a powerful assistant, not a total replacement for connecting with peers, attending workshops, or seeking advice from experienced professionals. Finally, here's how you can stay ahead in an AI-driven landscape. First, be proactive about updating your skills. AI tools can highlight what's in demand, but you have to put in the work, like taking an online course or attending a coding bootcamp if that's the direction you want to go. Second, remain adaptable. Industries evolve fast. If you're too fixated on one role, you might miss out on emerging fields where you can excel. Third, don't stop at the tool's recommendations. Network, go to industry events, and talk to real people in the trenches. AI might point you toward a fantastic opportunity, but it's often those in-person or online connections that seal the deal. If you enjoyed this look at how AI can turbocharge your career, you might also like our previous video, where we examined how AI can support personal growth in every facet of your life, from wellness to productivity. Pair these two videos together, and you'll see a bigger picture. AI isn't just about robots replacing human jobs. It's about technology meeting fundamental human needs. That includes finding our passions, building our skill sets, and moving forward confidently in a fast-changing world. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this overview sparks some ideas on how to harness AI for your own professional path. If you have any experiences, good or bad, with AI career tools, share them in the comments. Your story might help someone else find their dream job. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how technology can support, rather than replace, what makes us uniquely human. Until next time, stay curious and keep growing.